Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Highlander. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, splash guards, body color door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, low tire pressure warning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.